Open a topper's notebook, and you expect perfection. Neat handwriting, colorful highlights, perfectly organized pages. But many times you see the opposite. Messy arrows, half sentences, random diagrams everywhere. It looks terrible. Yet these students remember everything. Meanwhile, someone with beautiful notes forgets half the chapter during exams. So what's the secret? Why do many smart students intentionally take ugly notes? Because they understand one brutal truth. Notes are not for reading, notes are for remembering. And the moment you understand this, the way you study changes completely. Let's break it down. Part 1, the pretty notes trap. Most students take notes like this. Teacher explains something. They copy every sentence. They underline titles, highlight definitions, rewrite everything neatly later. It feels productive. But something dangerous is happening. Your brain is not learning. It's copying. When you write information exactly as it appears in the book, your brain does almost zero thinking. The brain remembers processing, not decoration. Small pieces that force the brain to recall the full concept later. Their notes look messy, but their understanding becomes sharper. Part 2, how smart students take ugly notes. Smart students follow a very different system. They compress information. Instead of writing full explanations, they break ideas into fragments. Instead of writing a full paragraph about photosynthesis, they might write something like this: 3 messy lines. But each line triggers the entire concept. They do anything that connects ideas visually. Because the brain remembers relationships better than long sentences. This style is often called active note-taking. Quick question. What do your notes look like right now? Perfect and organized, or messy but effective? Comment below. Part 3, the real reason. Ugly notes work. Here's the real reason ugly notes work. They activate something called generative learning, which means your brain learns best when it creates information in its own way, not when it copies. When you summarize ideas in your own words, when you draw quick diagrams, when you connect ideas with arrows, your brain forms stronger neural connections. Learning becomes active, and active learning creates stronger memory. Think about it like this. Pretty notes store information on paper. Ugly notes store information in your brain. So if you want notes that actually improve learning, follow 3 rules. Write less. Focus on key ideas, and connect concepts visually. If your notes look messy, but help you explain the topic clearly, they're working perfectly. So next time your notes look ugly, don't worry. That might be the sign you're studying the right way. Because smart students don't try to make their notes beautiful. They try to make their brain work. If you want more videos that upgrade how your brain learns, subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't study harder, we study smarter than 90% of students